Welcome to NexTechie Exonaut Briefing, your rapid mission update on the frontier of space technology. Anchors on deck, let's launch.
This is the brief on the 2026 industrial space race. Look, space isn't really a research game anymore. It's turned into a full-blown industrial battleground. You've got global powers scrambling to build their own satellite networks and to grab orbital territory before it's all gone. So, first up, you have Europe completely rewriting its playbook with something called IRIS². They're trying to break their reliance on systems like Starlink. So the European Space Agency is now paying the upfront costs for factories, not just the research. And that's a huge shift, right? They're basically subsidizing assembly lines to get their own internet network running by 2029. Second, check this out. China is in the middle of a massive orbital land grab. They've just filed plans with international regulators for, get this, nearly 200,000 new satellites. Their factories are already churning out a satellite a day, so this is a real strategic move. They're trying to lock down those finite orbital slots before any new regulations can catch up. And finally, while all these countries are fighting over sheer volume, a project called Phantom is focused on efficiency. They just tested this tech in the Arctic. It uses LiDAR, that's laser scanning, to create what they call digital twins of an exploration site. So basically, scientists back on Earth can use augmented reality to virtually walk right alongside astronauts in real time. It just totally speeds up discovery and gets rid of that communication lag. So, on one hand, you've got Europe and China just flooding orbit with hardware. But on the other, you've got this new digital tech that's closing the gap between us here on Earth and our future explorers out there. The era of artisanal spaceflight is over. The era of industrial scale has just begun.
This was NexTechie Exonaut Briefing, just a brief overview. Upgrade your subscription to access the full newsletter and our detailed explainer video.